Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use Google's new AI designer for user interfaces of your apps. By the end of this tutorial, you will learn how to generate beautiful user interfaces for your apps. If you're a solo developer and work with a designer, this will save you hundreds of dollars. If you're ready, let's get into it. As a software engineer who mostly works on the back-end side of a project, I'm intimidated by the cumbersome work of the front-end, especially designing. Using a tool like Google Stitch is very helpful if you don't like designing user interfaces. Okay, let's design an app for language learning. We write a prompt for this. For the sake of simplicity, I use a simple prompt here. You can type a more detailed prompt, of course. It generated a few pages that are suitable for the app. I approve the listed pages and it starts to design them immediately. Since it designs multiple pages at once, it may take some time. As you can see, the pages were generated successfully. You can also make any adjustments on the designs using prompts. For example, I want to make the theme color purple. I write it and it asks if I want to apply it to all pages. I responded as apply to all screens. It performed it in just seconds. This is amazing. You can also edit a specific design. For example, on this page I want to add a section for learning German. I can easily do that with plain English. Yes, it added a section for German. If you're a Figma user, you can also copy your designs from here and paste them on Figma. Moreover, you can see the source code of this design in HTML. Of course, this feature makes more sense in the web page designs, which I will cover in the upcoming part. In addition to mobile apps, you can easily design the user interfaces of your web applications. The same logic applies. Just don't forget to choose web instead of mobile. Let's design an e-commerce web application for this time. Everything is basically the same, only the platforms differ. You can also get the source code of the web application design, which saves a lot of time during development. Another feature of Google Stitch is experimental mode, which uses an image to design. It designs the app based on the image you upload. I sketched a simple user interface for a news application. Let's see how it's gonna design. Okay, it finished designing. For an experimental mode, it's not that bad, but it could not place the button navigation part properly. I'm gonna try to fix it with a prompt. Unfortunately, the problem still exists. It's fair because it's an experimental feature. You can also get the source code in the experimental mode. That wraps up our walkthrough of Google's new AI design tool. As you saw, it can be a game changer, especially for backend developers or solo developers who struggle with UI design. From generating multi-page app interfaces to customizing them with simple prompts, and even exporting to Figma or HTML, it offers powerful features that can save time and money. While the experimental mode still needs improvement, it's exciting to see where this technology is heading. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about what kind of app you'd like to design next with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.